Passive immunity. A newborn baby acquires passive immunity from its mother through the placenta or breast milk. Human fetus is able to synthesize IgM from 20th week, but immunologically they are very weak. For initial 3 months, maternal antibody give passive immunity. Passive immunity is subdivided into natural and artificial. Natural passive immunity transferred from mother to fetus or infants transplacentally and through colostrum. Infection in children is common after 3 months of age than neonates. For improving passive immunity, immunization of mother is recommended. For example, tetanus toxoid. Artificial passive immunity. It is through parental administration of antibodies used as prophylaxis and therapy. The agents used are hyperimmune sera of animal or human origin, convalescent sera, and pooled human gamma globulin are also used. The oldest method is to employ horse hyperimmune sera. ATS anti-tetanus serum is prepared by injecting a series of tetanus toxoid to horses and bleeding them to separate the serum. As ATS is foreign protein, it causes hypersensitivity reactions. That's why human ATS is prepared by hyperimmunization of human with tetanus toxoid. Protection with human ATS is last longer. Sera from recovering patients that contain highly specific antibodies used against measles and rubella. Sera of healthy adults can be pooled and used for passive immunization, for example, hepatitis A. The main disadvantage is chance of getting bloodborne infections. Combined immunization. Combination of active and passive immunization. Passive provide immediate protection till the active immunity becomes effective. That is combined immunization. Local immunity protection given to a potential site of entry of pathogen prevent the entry of pathogen. IgA play a important role in local immunity. Herd immunity it refers to overall resistance in a community. When herd immunity is low, chances of epidemics increase for a suitable pathogen. The diagram is showing different categories of immunity. As you can see, immunity divided into acquired and innate. Acquired again divided into active and passive. Active again divided into natural and induced, and passive subdivided into induced and natural. A diagram showing process of invasion of pathogen in both innate and acquired immunity. Thank you.